Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple AirTag battery. So let's get started. So you can change out the battery, but you do need to get a CR2032. That's the type of battery that are in these AirTags. So first thing I usually like to do whenever I replace it is just clean it up, wipe it down. And the reason why you do this is to get up any sort of oil, grease that can be hard to replace it. So the way this works is, as you can see here, it's basically a metal plate that's on top. We need to press it downward and twist it counterclockwise about maybe just about a little bit, but basically you're using your thumb like this. I usually like to do it like this, and then I press it down, and as I'm pressing right now, I do a counterclockwise twist, and you might have noticed that it starts to pop up by itself when you do that. As you can see here, my fingerprint here basically moved a little bit counterclockwise, and then right here gives you the access to the battery. And now in order to replace it, you can see the plus sign is pointing upward. Originally it comes with the Panasonic CR2032. I have one of these. Hopefully this one will work, but some people have different issues with a different brand. So if it doesn't work with a specific brand, you might have to consider getting another one. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one I have here. And you can find these anywhere. You can get it online or any other store. I'll leave a link for, you can get it from Amazon if you like. And let's go ahead and replace this. So basically what you're going to do is put it back. As you can see here, the plus sign facing up. So I'm going to take this off. It just comes off, just basically pops up. There's nothing holding it in place. And then you put the new one on, and when you hit on, you should hear some noise. That means that battery is good. So you hear this noise again. See? So all you're going to do is take the plate. See, as you can see here, that's the plate. We're going to put it back, match it up. Of course, you see where there's 3 different spots. So we want to match those 3 spots basically like this somewhere. Just a general. And then as you can see here, it should line up. And for this part, what we're going to do is press it down and then we'll basically go clockwise till it's in place, and it shouldn't come off, and we're ready to go ahead and set this one up. Now if you have your phone, you might be able to set it up. If not, if it's already connected, you might not have to do anything. If you bring it close to your phone, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on so you can connect it here. So this one, for example, I'll go ahead and connect it, show you in another video how to connect it, but there you go, show it comes up here, and then all you're going to do is hit that connect option and then choose what this is for. So you can put a custom name or put it from one of these options available. So I'm just going to go ahead with the, let me just go ahead and pick up the wallet. There on, it's going to be saying it's going to be linked with the Apple ID, and basically it's going to track. So you're going to hit agree. And once you agree, it will basically start pairing and working. Now, if it's already connected to your device, if it's already connected to it, you might not have to do this, but we're pretty much all set up and ready to go, and you can find it in my Find My, and this can be used to track your item. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your AirTags and other Apple accessories. I'll see you guys next time.